Okay, there's one thing I forgot to show in this glamour hotel. So let me show you at the exit here. They have a little balcony kind of thing here. You can see out over the side. See these buildings here. Hey, some people were able to get their windows open. Okay, it looks like it's raining outside. We'll see. Anyways, I gotta go down to the second floor and get some breakfast. So, oh, it's open. Oh, I almost missed it. There we go. Alright, we got a lot of stuff today. There's orange juice, which is actually like tang, peach juice, soy milk. There's like a minced pork soup. Looks like a chicken pho. This is rice porridge. We got sticky rice with, then we put I think it's sugar with peanuts. There's a random cake thing. Alright. And a fried bun. Got some mixed vegetables. There's mushroom, bok choy, carrot. Then we got some short rib things. Spaghetti with meat sauce, they said, but it looks weird, like sweet and sour sauce or something. Fried fish ball. Egg fried rice. This thing, I forgot what it's called, and whatever's in here, we'll have to open it. Okay, so let's go ahead and we'll maybe try this weird spaghetti thing first. Let's see. It's actually pretty tasty. I don't know what it is though. The sauce is more like the texture of like sweet and sour sauce, kind of goopy. But the flavor, I don't know. It's pretty good. I don't know what it is. It's weird. I don't even know how to describe that. Okay, let's try the fried fish ball. It's not crispy fried anymore. It's just like regular fish ball. Oh, it's actually kind of spicy. It's like a spicy fish ball. Fried rice. Let's pick this stuff up. How's that? The Chinese sausage in there? Pretty good. Okay, that's enough of that. I'm gonna keep dropping that. I need to scoop it to my face. Got this one. Let me hold the chopstick better.
Honey, where's my backpack?
Tastes like all the other ones. Then we got this.
Oh, somebody.
Okay, then we got this. Let's see what this tastes like. Oh, I can't grab it. I'm gonna have to stab it. This has a lot of the banana leaf flavor. And then texture from the... It mainly just tastes like the flavor of the banana leaf. And then it has this rice thing in it. Alright, let's try the mixed vegetables. Carrot. Bok choy. And a mushroom. Pretty plain. Slightly seasoned with like salt probably. Then we got this rib. Can't grab this carrot. There we go. Has coconut flavor. I'm not too fond of like that old hard coconut flavor, but let's try this. The meat didn't have too much of that. Actually it does, a little bit. Alright, next, we'll try the rice porridge. Let's give it a try. It's decent. Probably need some green onions or something though. And we got this soup, minced pork soup. That's weird. From going from the other soup, it's like slightly sweet. I don't know. Makes it taste weird. Try the pho ga, or chicken pho. Let's see. I didn't add anything to it, but they had a whole bunch of different seasonings. And the flavor's decent. Pretty good. Need some bean sprouts in here. But it's good. Alright, next stuff. Alright, sticky rice. Sticky rice soy. Let's grab it. I mean, you can't really mess this up unless you cook the rice wrong or something. Or put the beans like not soaked enough till they're still hard. But this is good. Everything came out nice on it. Alright, I'll finish that later. Let's try this. There's like a paper on it. It looks like a donut. Alright, let's try this donut thing. It's very close to a donut hole, but no glaze. Pretty good. Last time we got the fish, and then we just got 3 drinks. Okay, let me finish this. Alright, let's try this little fishy. Oh, no. No. Alright, it's like a light bread. Pretty good. Alright, last we got the orange juice, soy milk, and peach drink. So let's try. Yeah, that tastes like a very sweet tang. Try this one next. Light peach flavor. Pretty good. Not too sweet after drinking the tang. And the soy milk. I should have probably drank this first. This is not sweet at all. Tastes like soy milk water. This one could use more sugar and a little bit thicker, but that's pretty much it. I forgot to show the food setup. So this is how they had these kinds of trays. Oh, they refilled some. This vegetable wasn't here earlier, so they already added new stuff in the same day. That's the spaghetti. There's that. Fried rice. They have this whole vegetable and kimchi bar. This is the soup. Oh, they call it kambu soup. This is the minced meat porridge. I mixed up the names. This is local cake, so that was those. There's the fish sauce and stuff. Then you got these. That's the sticky rice thing, and that's the fried bread. We got some coffee and tea. Condensed milk, sugar, soy milk, peach juice, orange juice, and water. And they got those cakes and some fruits. And we got those sauces, and that's the soup. Then they got fried eggs over there. And regular bread, toast, and a banh mi bread. And some peanut butter, jam, marmalade. I think this is probably dragon fruit jam. And then all the plates and stuff here. And that's pretty much it. So this is how they store the water on their roof. That's a 1,000-liter water tank. Oh, it's not focusing. Look at that, silkworm. It's too hard to focus the camera on it. It moves around too much. Okay, they're gonna ride on the motorbike. Oh, I can't see now. Uh-oh. They're going out there. So confused. Bye. Look, they're pulling it on that. With the Segway thing. Okay, we're here at the karaoke place. Look at this. Look at the stairs. I thought it was a full step and I almost fell. Look at this building. Look at this place. Fruit? Is that included? No, it's next. Baby, baby, oh, that you'll always be mine. Baby, oh, that you'll always be mine. I have my first love. Yeah, we're going crazy. Oh, I was starstruck. She woke me up daily. Don't even start love. Take my heart now. She knows she got me baby. She was so amazing. And now my heart is breaking. I just keep on saying, baby, baby, baby. Oh, like, hey. Hey, what happened? You can see the water towers that I was talking about earlier. Every single building kind of has one.